Now, if you're any type of video creator or content creator, then you're going to need yourself one of these, an Elgato Camlink 4K. And this is why. Now, whether you're a YouTuber, a gamer, a podcaster, or a streamer, whatever it is you do, you probably have a camera and a microphone that enables you to record your content and then upload it. The issue is you have to do it all individually, unless you have a webcam which streams directly from your computer. The issue with having a professional camera and a microphone is that if you try to plug that in and stream with it or record straight onto the computer with it, you can only do it in full HD. There's no other way that you can go into 4K and do it in 4K unless you have one of these. Now, there are different capture cards you can get out there, but the Elgato Camlink 4K is used by many, many content creators and video producers and all that kind of thing in their home setups, and it's the best, right? There's cheaper options out there. You can get ones for $30, $40, sometimes cheaper, but you pay for what you get. And this is around $100, but it is so worth it. Now, what do you get in the box? Well, you get a female to male USB-A type lead, and you get the Elgato Camlink itself. And the issue you're going to have is if you're trying to plug your camera into your computer and record straight into something like OBS, it won't work unless you're doing it with a capture card. Now, unless you have one of these, then you need to record separately on your camera and your microphone into something like Audacity for the audio and then sync them up in post. Whereas if you have one of these, you can record straight into OBS with the audio coming from the microphone and the video coming from the camera in crisp and clear 4K, and then you can just send the whole file over to DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro and edit it, or Final Cut, whatever you use. And that's it. It's that simple. End of the video. No, I'm just joking. Not quite. So what you need to make this work is you need to buy an HDMI cable. Right, then what you do is you plug the HDMI cable into the Elgato 4K, and it goes straight into that, and then you plug the USB part into your computer, and then the other HDMI lead you plug into your camera. Now, I have the Sony A7 IV, which has a full HDMI port, so your camera might not have a full HDMI port. Your camera might have a micro HDMI, in which case just buy the lead that's right for you, but it needs to have HDMI on one end for you to plug into the Elgato Camlink, and then you plug the other end into your camera, and then you can just open it up in OBS and it'll work fine. Now, this thing has been around for quite a few years, but it is used by so many people. And the reason for that is that it's just such a good bit of equipment. It doesn't matter whether you've got one camera or 5 cameras. All you need to do is buy this Camlink and plug it in. Now, a lot of people will be annoyed at the fact that you're spending £2,000 or more on a camera, and yet you can't record in 4K straight onto your computer, or you can't stream in 4K. Now, I understand that, and I don't really understand the reasons for that, but this is what you need. And it's a fantastic bit of kit. It does exactly what it says in the tin. Plug this into your camera and it'll work fine. Let me know in the comments if you have one. They've been around for a few years, but I just thought I'd do a quick video on one, and let me know in the comments if you like it and if you use it. But until then, I'll see you next time.